Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech Gear. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 12 coolest PC accessories that are worth buying. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or just someone who spends a lot of time on their computer, these accessories will make your experience even better. Before I start, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. So, let's get started. Number 12. USB Heated Mousepad. Our assessment of computer peripherals wouldn't be complete without mentioning the prettiest one. For those long hours spent working or perusing the web, this heated mousepad is a must-have. Plush fabric of the cartoon variety wraps around your palms. Keeping the interior at a steady temperature is the job of an electronic heating sheet. It gets its juice via a regular USB cord, which you can find at any computer store. With so much room inside, you won't feel cramped while using the mouse. The non-slip silicone backing of the pad ensures that it will stay put in any direction. There are so many beautiful patterns to choose from that just seeing them makes you feel warm and cozy. Number 11. Gaming Mouse Bungee Cable Holder. The clutter of cords around a computer is particularly bothersome for those who use it for gaming. This mouse cable holder is a handy solution that also offers other benefits. This device will make sure that your cable doesn't get in the way when it's least convenient. There are a number of springs built into the arm that holds your mouse, allowing for effortless and natural movement, in part because of the built-in RGB lighting. This add-on is made to complement your high-end gaming rig. It has 7 color options and a beautiful moving rainbow mode. This stand also provides you with 4 more USB ports so you can connect even more devices. It has a weighted disc inside to make it easy to hold and a non-slip base to make it work as well as possible. Number 10. Computer Speakers by Edifier. You can't just play a game without paying attention to the audio. If you're a gamer, then you'll find that these speakers are perfect for you. First of all, they have a built-in subwoofer that makes sure the bass is very strong and has a maximum power output of 32 watts. The inside of the professional sound chip has 3 different equalization settings, one for games, one for movies, and one for music.
Music mode,
Game mode, and
movie mode.
This pair of speakers is minimalistic and quite small. However, with 12 different RGB lighting modes, they can grow fairly vivid. The volume, lights, and effects may all be adjusted with a push of a button on the panel's edge. You can also connect to your device in different ways, such as through a regular auxiliary port or through Bluetooth. The speakers also have a USB input that can be used with digital audio players. Number 9. Laptop Cooler Fan. One of the most common issues faced by laptop owners is overheating. It may degrade performance or shorten the life of your device. This portable fan cooler can come in handy. No matter the brand or size of your laptop's display, this accessory should fit. It is designed to work with laptops that have air vents on the side or rear. The 4,500 RPM it generates will be a welcome addition to your cooling system. Simply turn the knobs and check your speed on the screen to get started. The metal chassis of the device dissipates heat. The sturdy metal construction and internal Japanese motor guarantee top-notch performance. The package comes with 4 sleeves that are the right size for the air exhaust that is included. Even better, there's a 5-year guarantee on it. Finally, the fan weighs only 9 ounces and takes up very little space. Number 8. Noise Cancelling Mic Adapter. Without changing anything else, this handy device will greatly enhance your audio quality. A tiny microphone adapter is compatible with any headset that has a 0.13-inch jack. Noise reduction technology driven by AI has saved the day. There are more than 50 million different kinds of noise that it can deal with. Your calls will no longer be interrupted by the TV or the keyboard. Even in the open air, your voice will be perfectly intelligible. You can use this adapter with any device, from a computer or Mac to a smartphone or game console. It's compatible with the newest USB-C connector, plus it comes with a regular USB cable as well. Number 7. Gaming Desk. Here is a desk created specifically for the needs of gamers. To begin with, it has a clean, modern design that will look great with your physique and gear. The desk can support as much as 250 pounds thanks to its reinforced legs and crossbars. The carbon fiber exterior is stylish and tough, and now for the best part, the monitor stand lets you declutter your workspace without sacrificing the optimal viewing angle. And it also comes with a cup holder and a hook for your headphones. You guessed it, anyone, not only gamers, can make good use of this desk. Number 6. Cyberboard. Many designers' ideas were clearly influenced by this infamous Tesla truck. Now, please meet the Cyberboard, a revolutionary keyboard with the same familiar sharp edges. Its mechanical keys and silicone mute mount makes for a smooth typing experience. Your hands will be in a natural, relaxed position thanks to the 10-degree slant. Every single switch can be swapped out in real time. To my knowledge, this is the first wireless charging keyboard on the market. The massive LED strip with 200 individual squares is a piece de resistance. You can put any image or animation inside the panel that you choose. This keyboard's body is a strong aluminum alloy. Ideally, it would last as long as the truck. Number 5. Extended mousepad. Check this out if you're in the market for a big, bright mousepad for your gaming needs. The size is impressive at 35 by 15 inches. All of your computer peripherals can fit comfortably. Because of how smoothly the cloth surface glides, the mouse operates with no effort. The rubber bottom doesn't slip, and the secure edge design makes it easy to hold onto. There will be no warping of the pad. It may be washed with no fear of damaging the design or the fabric, and the colors will not fade. Last but not least, the patterns are gorgeous, and you have a lot of alternatives. Look at this mousepad too. It's available in 4 sizes, so it should fit on almost any workstation. This design makes me think of the amazing tools that Tony Stalling used, so your computer environment will be equally attractive. Number 4. Lamborghini Vision Gran Turismo PC build revealed. There are PC upgrades that are as sleek as the most expensive sports vehicles, most notably this one, which might easily be mistaken for a Lamborghini using 3D printing and a laser cutter. This incredible case was created. The shiny purple exterior belies the mod's vibrant internal LED lighting. Everything is literally lit from within. You may open the hood like on a real automobile to get to the engine, wheels, and other interior components. This sleek sports car houses a Core i9 processor, Corsair memory, and MSI graphics. As far as I can determine, it has a high top speed. Number 3. LANPACK PC build by Insolent Gnome. And now for the next installment, we have the incredibly powerful gaming PC that also happens to have a very cool layout. The carbon fiber exterior is tough as nails while still being quite lightweight, and you can take it with you anywhere without worrying about forgetting your bag. The belt that comes with the PC allows you to convert it into a backpack. Still, with everything installed, the computer weighs roughly 24 pounds. The majority of your apparatus may be viewed in the central pane. In order to keep things cool, there is a water storage tank. It can be refilled with little effort. Green LEDs illuminate the blades of the fans on both sides, making them a sight to behold after dark. The setup also has an Intel Core i5 processor and 16 GB of Corsair Vengeance RAM. In terms of visuals, the NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti is provided. That's the most powerful computer you could possibly bring into battle, and it's the size of a paperback. Number 2. Battleship Case Mod 2017 by Hammond Chronicle. The movie Battleship was the inspiration for this stunning PC modification.
Mahalo, motherfucker.
In other words, it comes from another planet entirely. When using the included stand, your computer will appear to float in midair over your desk. The internal workings may be seen clearly via the massive glass panels. The red accents and pointed wings of the mod make it look very hostile and ready for battle. With 2 reservoirs on the machine's sides that hold liquid to cool it, it will still work even when it is under a lot of stress. Of course, the mods are filled to the brim with RGB lights that can be adjusted to suit your every whim. However, its primary function should be as a formidable weapon. Number 1. G.Skill DDR4 Memory Kit. This piece of hardware is as high-end as it gets in terms of appearance. It's not real jewelry, but nobody would ever know the difference. This is a DDR4 memory kit, and it works with many different types of motherboards. The crystalline light bar is made to draw back and diffuse the intense hues produced by the internal LEDs. Each unit contains 8 individual backlit areas, all of which may be adjusted with relative ease using the accompanying software. You can change each module on its own, use up to 4 different lighting profiles, and enjoy more than a dozen different lighting effects. The metal heat spreaders also do a fantastic job of preserving your memory's temperature. There are 2 color options, silver and gold, and each has different storage capabilities. One can choose between 16 and 32 gigabytes. There is a wide range of maximum speeds from 3200 to 4600 MHz between different versions. That concludes our coverage for the day. Which device do you think is the most forward-thinking? Until then, I hope you'll subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments so I may incorporate them into future videos.